Let me show you some of these colors. I'm using the buttons that are on the projector. You can do it from the remote too. And there's also different modes that play all of them. This projector is pretty cool. It's very simple to use, simple to get started. You can use the buttons on the projector itself, and there's also different modes on the remote. You can set it facing the ceiling, and there's also a flat spot right here that you can set if you want to face the wall. So it can sit that way, and it can also sit that way.